this video, we're going to look to find the slope and the y-intercept of our equation here and then graph. Now, you may remember the formula y equals mx plus b. It's important because the m tells us the slope and the b tells us the y-intercept. The key is we've got to get that y by itself. So we're going to try to get our equation in that form. We've got to get the y by itself. So we begin by moving the x. Since the x was 3x, I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Now 3x minus 3x goes away. Don't lose track of this negative here. So I've got negative 4y. And watch my switcheroo here. Instead of negative 12 minus 3x, I'm going to write it as negative 3x minus 12. Why do I do that? Because look at our formula. That x term comes first. I want mine to look like that. Last step, to get the y by itself, I'm going to have to divide by negative 4. Now, I do that by dividing each term by negative 4. I've done this for a long time because it helps my students to see the number in front of x a little bit clearer. So negative 4 divided by negative 4, those go away, leaving me with y equals negative 3 divided by negative 4. Negative divided by negative, so positive 3/4 x. Notice how I wrote that. I wrote the 3/4 in front, then the x is being multiplied. Then I've got negative 12 divided by negative 4, which gives me positive 3. So when you look at our equation compared to the formula we have here at the top, notice that the 3/4 is in place of the m and the 3 is in place of the b. So the 3/4 is my slope and the b is my y-intercept. Now, when we go to graph that, we start with the y-intercept. So at the origin, we count up 3. 1, 2, 3. So here's my first point. And then from there, I'm going to use my 3/4 as a rise over run combination. So we rise 3 and run 4 from the y-intercept. So rise 3, 1, 2, 3, run 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. Rise 3, 1, 2, 3, run 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you do this with your slope, you can see the pattern, and then you have your points that you need to draw your line. Now, because I'm drawing this digitally, my line's not going to come out very straight. That's okay. You get the idea of why I needed the y-intercept, which would tell me where to start, and then the slope would tell me how far to go up and over.